I think so. You got a PDF of this full.
No, question number
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
So from that PDF, you can complete question one, two, whichever is incomplete from that PDF in your extra time. Because today we will start question three. Because question two we have finished yesterday.
मैम तो क्वेश्चन 3 नहीं करने का था ना.
Nah, nah. Because see in that message only, and
Okay.
please, mute
Ma'am,
your.
question two का answer.
Wait, wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
मैंने तो
Let me speak. You all please mute the mic because sometime it happens that if your mic is not working, then because of your mic, my voice will be not cleared. So it's better that you mute the mic whenever I speak. So I was saying that
मैम
yes,
वो तो नेट का प्रॉब्लम.
I know that sometime because of weather, you can see it, right now weather is like rainy. So maybe because of weather, there is network issue, and because of that, or because of hands-free, because of anything else, your mic is not working. So right now, just listen to me.
मैम
Don't disturb me now.
मैम 31 डिग्री है अभी.
Yesterday, I have sent this PDF. In this PDF, these questions are also given. These answers are also given. So in your extra time at your home, whenever you are free, you can copy from that PDF. But if you want to try first, it's well and good. First try, then match the answer. But I can't force you. I think so. There are
मैम ये भी लिखना है.
nine. Who I think so. Gogda Rohan is asking no. Gogda Rohan.
यस मैम.
No,
I was.
Nayani. Muhammad Zujja.
There are few students who will always ask me, "ये लिखने का है, लिखने का है, लिखने का है." But at least understand, I will give the time at the time, right? So those who want to copy paste, they can copy paste. I don't mind. But if you will copy paste, you will not understand. So choice is yours. Now we will start question three, which is give the standard numeral. So first I'm explaining. So just pay attention. So this is the heading. Give the standard numeral. So this is standard numeral is opposite of question 2. In question 2, this was the answer. And question was given like number was given. Like this number was given and you have to find the expanded notation. Means that place value of each digit. This was the question and this was the answer. But now in question 3, opposite. The expanded notation is given, you have to find standard numeral. Question 2 में उल्टा था, that standard numeral was given, you have to find expanded notation, means एक एक की place value. Now here it is given in opposite way. Expanded notation is given, you have to find standard numeral. So now I will teach you standard numeral, how you will find. There are two methods. First method that you can see that
हम क्वेश्चन पहले की तरह लिखना है, पहले जैसे लिखते थे वैसे.
मतलब
मतलब पहले क्वेश्चन कैसे पूरा नंबर लिख डालते थे ऐसे. मैम क्वेश्चन में ये 4 6 5 4 2 ऐसे लिखना है क्वेश्चन.
हाँ
तो लिख डालता हूँ अभी.
नहीं right
ये
now,
फेयर बुक में लिखने का है.
right now no one will write.
लिखना है.
I said right now no one will write. Just pay attention, try to understand. That's it. So this is question 3 and here you can see some sign is given. So say together okay, which sign is this?
प्लस प्लस प्लस.
प्लस
Yes. Plus sign means sign of addition. So पहली method to find answer is that you can do addition. First method is that you can do addition to find
Ma'am,
the answer.
excuse me.
Then second method I am teaching right now.
Ma'am,
दो
excuse me.
मेथड है जिससे आंसर ढूंढ पाओगे. First method of addition. Now second method I am teaching.
Ma'am,
Yes, what?
ચાલણીયા વોઝ મિસ આટલા બધા સ્ટીકર નાખેસ ને કોઈને એની સ્ક્રીન નહીં દેખાય આટલા બધા.
हाँ मैम
हाँ,
हम लोग स्पीकर ना करके हाँ मैम
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday also I have explained that right now I am not telling you to write name of the
नहीं आ रहा है ये वाला
when I am speaking, let me complete, then you can speak. पहले मैं बोल लूं, फिर बोल सकते हो. So I am saying that yesterday also I told you not to write in the chat box because whenever you write in the chat box, so that present on other screen and then they can't see my screen also. So it's better don't write anything in the chat box.
ये देखो
So
घबरानी
you
मोहम्मद
can
रजा
now don't give name of each other. You are behaving like nursery children because nursery kids they give each other's name. इसने किया उसने किया इसने किया उसने किया. Same. You are now in fifth standard. Behave like fifth standard student. Don't behave like nursery kid. So this is first question. So
मैम चार्य ना सॉरी फिर आपको
okay. A reporter बहुत है class में. There are so many reporter. Even last year also. Means those who are in sixth standard no. When they were in fourth, I was telling them that they are reporter of the class. क्लास में क्या क्या हो रहा है वो रिपोर्टिंग करेंगे न्यूज चैनल वालों के जैसे यहाँ पे ये हुआ इसने ये किया उसने वो किया so don't be reporter please. Now Nurul give me one name from the ID.
યસ મેમ બેલી મેવાન
Ruhan, do you know how we will read this number?
मतलब में
कितने हैं this one which I have underlined?
can I give the answer
A.
Means that is 400, 4 lakh, 4,000, 4 crore.
4 crore.
Okay, good. 4 crore.
बोलो
And wait. And also we'll write name of the places also. So Gogda Rohan is present, no? Gogda Rohan, are you present?
नहीं ये सब लिखने का
No, nothing. You do right.
एक मोहम्मद
Yes, ma'am. Sanya Gupta के ID में से है.
Gogda Rohan, please give the answer. Gogda Rohan.
नहीं वो नहीं है.
मैम उसके बाद
अभी तेरा ID नहीं है.
do answer
Nurul, give me name.
मेरा
रजाली राजानी
क्या आया
मैम मना मैम रजाली राजानी
Everyone. Only Nurul will say, nobody else will say anything. Mute your mic first. And Nurul, now give me name who never give the answer. जिसने अभी तक कभी ऐसे आंसर ना दिया हो ना उसका नेम बोल.
मेरे को देख के बताता हूँ बहुत कमांड कर देते हैं
Whose name you said?
मैम
Yes.
असर हुसैन
अन्ना
Okay. हाँ, he also never speak anything. Asar Hussain.
yes ma'am
हाँ. Do you know name of the places?
yes ma'am
हाँ. So please say no that I can write.
once
हाँ. Then.
tens
Hmm.
100
Right. And speak loudly. Your voice is too slow.
स्लो
1000
Okay, who said? He is only saying or someone else?
मैं वो आपके कैप्टन नूरुल ने बोला अभी
मैम आंसर नहीं बोला।
आंसर ही बोला तो मैम तो 10 बार
Only after Hussein mic should be unmute. Other student mute your mic. Even captain will also mute the mic. Right now only Asar Hussein will say.
Yes, ma'am. 1,000,
Yes.
10,000,
Hmm.
lakh,
Hmm.
10 lakh,
Yes.
crore.
Yes. Exactly. Very good. So this one is the first place. This is second place. Third place. Fourth place. This is fifth place. This is sixth. This is seventh, and this is eighth place. So just now, Bailey Muruhan told us, yeah, this is 4 crore. So these four we will write at which place? Say together. ये 4 है वो कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? As this is 4 crore. So at which place we will write?
करोड़ प्लीज।
हाँ, exactly.
Crore.
ये
Crore, please.
at crores place we will write. Now next name we will.
Ma'am, can I give up the
मैम आई वांट टू से नेक्स्ट नेम। मैम जवाब देने वाला होगा मेहंदी रजा चारानिया।
Okay. Mehendi Reza, now you have to tell me about next this number.
This place is
This is how many?
10 lakh. 10 lakh.
Okay, who else might is unmute and some other noise is coming?
Virani Zaki Hasan.
Okay, mute your mic. It doesn't look good. I have to shout again and again. I don't want to shout. So please maintain the
मैम
discipline.
वो मेरा भाई कर रहा है
I know last year also he was only harassing you in fourth standard also. I
मेरा
remember.
भाई खीसा कर रहा है वो सब
I know, I know. I remember last year also he was harassing you.
मैम सॉरी मैम
No problem. If his brother is listening to me, please let him concentrate because he's a very clever student. Let him concentrate. So Charanya Mehendi, this we will write at which place? This 6.
10 lakh place, ma'am.
Yes, at 10 lakhs place because this is 60 lakh. So this will write at 10 lakhs place. And if you don't remember like that also, all the student, then you can see that this is 7-digit number. So as this is 7-digit number, we will write at 7th place. That way also you can remember. Now next name, Nurul.
फरहान रजा।
So Farhan Reza, how much this is? This one?
5 lakh.
5 lakh. As this is 5 lakh. So this 5 right at which place?
તો બધાનો વારો આવે ભાઈ હું એકલો નથી કે ક્લાસમાં
चारानिया।
Now who's my
ભાઈ બંને જ વારો છે તમે તારે ચિંતા હું લેવા કરો છો મેં મારું નામ જ નતું લખ્યું તોય મારું નામ લઈ લીધું એ
मैम
વારો
जोई लो।
આવી ગયો
Mandy, I think so by mistake your mic mute your mic. Whenever you talk with your family members, please make sure that first your mic is
मैम वो
muted.
लेफ्ट हो गया।
No problem. So 5 lakh that we will put at lakhs place. Now next name.
एमएस मेरी बारी लई नहीं
2 मिनट मैम।
को ले रहा है
मेहंदी रजा अली मेहंदी लाखानी।
Okay, Lakhani Ali Mandy.
यस मैम
मेरा
From
नाम
how?
लिखा है चैट बॉक्स में
Okay. Lakhani Mendi, from how many days you are joining the lecture and attending maths lecture? Or is this first day? Today is first day, first lecture, or from few days you are joining?
2 days.
So those who are joining very late, means not regular, please watch all the video and just cover your that few days which you have not attended, so that you can understand all this concept. Okay, Lakhani Ali Mendi. Lakhani Ali Mendi.
Yes.
So just watch all the other videos also, that you can understand this question 3. That which places are these, and just learn name of the places at home. Okay, in homework.
Okay. Okay.
Next name Nurul.
Gabrani Muhammad Reza.
Gabrani Muhammad, you have to tell me about this number which I have underlined. Okay, this is how many?
Okay, ma'am. मैम
This one. हाँ.
सेकेंड टाइम रिपीट मैम आपने जो कहा वो प्लीज दूसरी बार बोलो ना
Okay.
ए अली रजा माइक बंद कर.
So this is the number which I have underlined.
ए अली रजा.
मैम 4 6 and 5
This one which I have underlined, that is how many? Is this 40, 100, 40,000? Is this 40 lakh? Is this 40 crore? How many is this?
मैम 40,000
40,000. Okay. So this is 40,000. So these 4 we will put at which place? This is 5-digit number, so we'll put at which place? 40,000. So at which place we will put? At 100 place?
10 मैम फोर्थ प्लेस 10,000 की प्लेस पे मैम
10,000 place. So 4 will put at here. Very good. Now next name Nurul. Now you can mute your mic, Gabrani Muhammad Raza.
can I give answer
Anas.
Anas. Anas, this is now. Anas, now this is the last number. This we have completed. This, and this. So this is how many, Anas?
लगता है वो नहीं है. रुको दूसरे का नाम बोलता हूँ. अनस के बाद मोहम्मद रजा दाऊदानी.
Okay. Daudani Muhammad Raza, this is how many?
200
So these 2 we will put at which place? Ones place, 10, 100,000.
100 plates
These 2 we will put here. So now other places are empty. Okay, there is no digit. And now even in the question also there are no numbers. So what we will do at these places, at 1,000 place, tens and ones? Who knows? They can say the
मैम
answer.
उसको काट के उसके 2 को उसके साथ जॉइंट कर देना. आंसर है 4 6 5 4 2.
नहीं. Other student who will try. Here that numbers are not given. So what we will do at these places?
मैम 0 मैम 0
zero.
मत करो तो भी चलेगा, इसलिए बोला साथ में जॉइंट.
Okay.
Nurul.
So the first answer, and when you will add also, you will get the same. So you can see the same answer is there. This is the answer of first, and this is the other one which you have to write now. So this is the first answer. Copy this, and then try B, C, D.
Mama, which one is A, B, C, D?
Very good, very advanced.
मैम सीधा आंसर लिखना है, क्वेश्चन कैसे लिखना है? पहले जैसे लिखते थे वैसे. हाँ समझ गया.
If you are writing in Fairbook, then First question, then answer, first heading, then question, then answer, everything.
D.
Try this right now fast. I'm just giving 4 minutes, so try fast.
मैम
Then
क्वेश्चन ऐसा लिखना है ना, या फॉर जितने जीरो है उतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन है ना?
हाँ हाँ
ओके,
yes.
समझ गए।
मैम चैट बॉक्स में लिख के दिखाओ।
ना 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 ना, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। And after you finish, please say that I can know. And I think who said?
मेहंदी रजा चारनिया।
Okay, Charanya Mehndi Reza has already finished, and I think so. This Bailey Mohammad Ruhan also. Okay, good.
मैम my work also finished.
Who?
अकील अकील भोजानी अकील।
Ma'am,
Oh,
ma'am, my work is also
दादू दादू।
फेसबुक में लिखना है ना मैम ये।
हाँ हाँ, fair book.
यस।
Good.
ऊपर वाला लिखने का है नीचे वाला?
नीचे वाला is answer, ऊपर वाला is question.
ओके मैम।
And B, C, D you have to try. A I have explained. B, C, D you have to try. And after trying, you have to ask me doubt if you have any doubt. Now 3 minutes are left. 1 minute is over.
My work is finished.
My work is finished.
Who said that?
Qureshi Mohammed
Who
Bilal.
said that work is finished? Say your name also because I can't recognize the voices.
Qureshi Mohammed Bilal.
I'm very poor at identifying voices. So please say your name also whenever you speak. Now only 2 minutes. At 42, I will change and will start question exercise 1B.
My work is finished.
Nurul said no?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
वीरानी मोमन पास।
Okay. Sometime I can identify the voices, but sometime I am very confused with the voices. So other who is still writing so that I can know I should wait or not? Who is still writing? Say so that I can know I should wait or not. Okay, now I'm not waiting for anybody. There's nobody is replying. So just to make sure
अभी 1 मिनट बाकी है।
but then nobody said anything. So shall I wait or not? So I just what?
मोहम्मद रजा बहुत इमोजीज भेज रहा है।
Mohammad Reza means Gabrani, no?
यस
Or
नहीं 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 घबरानी नहीं
then
सावधानी
Saudan.
एंड चार अन्य
You take screenshot and send to me, and that screenshot I will send to ma'am. Today I'm not sending screenshot to ma'am, but this is last warning for everyone, because whenever you write anything in the chat box, no, that present on other screen, then my screen will be hidden. They can't see my screen. Now match your answer, everyone, and just tell me that how many answers are right. B, C, and D.
मैम सारे लिख डाले मैंने तो
But match your answer as you have tried. Those who have tried, they can match the answer.
यही आंसर है
Hmm. B, C, and D. Answer of B, C, D. A, I have solved this one. Then B, C, D, I have told to you to solve.
मैम
Say Mehendi, then Ruhan. Then I don't remember that who have done. Just match the
मैम
answer.
आपने जहाँ पे जीरो लगाया वहाँ पे हम नया लगाए तो चलेगा
ले यहाँ पे अगर तू जीरो नहीं लगाएगा, सपोज यहाँ पे ये और ये, तो नंबर हो जाएगा 46542। तो फिर ये तो 46,000 हो गए, 5 डिजिट नंबर,
यस
एंड
मैम
दिस 4 करोड़। तो डिफरेंस है एक जीरो में भी। Say other students. But now match the answer and tell me कि your answers are right or not. And you do you have any doubt or is this clear or what?
मैम मुझे फर्स्ट में नहीं समझ आ रहा
First one, this one.
मैम वो आंसर पे ले जाओ ना यार क्या करते हो तुम भी मैम
मैम ये आंसर
क्या क्या
राइट है
इसमें
मेरा मैम राइट है लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा
So Ruhan, just clear. I'm explaining again. Just try to understand.
के लिए आंसर के पास ले जाओ ना
Ruhan, this is how many?
4 करोड़
4 crore. So that 4 we will put at which place?
करोड़
Crore place. Then this is how many?
60 lakh
So that we will put 6 at 10 lakhs place.
10 lakh
This is how many?
5 lakh
So that we will put at which place? 5
lakh
lakhs place.
lakh plus
Then this is how many?
40,000
So that we will put at 10,000 place. 4.
10,000
Then this is how many?
Yes. 200
So that we will put at hundreds place because that is 200. Then other no,
मैम
because they suppose यही question में आगे होता in the same question. Suppose this is the same question. Now in the same question, suppose if I'm adding plus
yes
10 and plus 3, suppose, तो यहाँ पे 1 आ जाता, यहाँ पे 3 आ जाता, because this 10 and 3 means 13. So here you can write 13. But the question 2 digit number, 1 digit number is not given like this. यहाँ पे 20 दिया है, यहाँ पे 6 दिया है. So we have to put 0.
yes
Now any
समझ
any other doubt?
मैम
Any
2
other?
मिनट के लिए आंसर के पास ले जाओ ना यार
You only want to copy paste or you want to match? I want to know.
मैच किया यार
बी बाकी है
What is left?
बी
Do fast so that I can change. After finishing, tell me, Nurul, so that I can change. Okay, now I'm changing, Nurul.
मैम लास्ट आंसर ही बाकी है, रुक
Fast. But next time don't copy paste, try. You always copy paste. Yesterday also you were telling me about that. कि 6 standard में कैसे जाएंगे? You can go in 6 standard, but after
मैम 6
मैम
स्टैंडर्ड
एक
में
बार किया नहीं
आप
सही
क्या
आया तो कॉपी फिक्स हो गया।
हाँ तो अभी देखो
बेबी
फिर से
6 स्टैंडर्ड में आप कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लोगे?
morals means after 5th standard I take morals from 6th to 9th.
या
मैम तो 4th में था वही ना?
हाँ in 1 to 3rd standard I take morals 1 to 3rd.
यस हाँ 1 to
4th
3rd
science, in 4th standard science, in 5th standard
साइंस
maths,
साइंस
and again morals that way.
यस यस
ओके मैम।
So now exercise 1B. So hope everyone have finished exercise 1A, question 1, 2, 3 in the fair book.
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन 3 का नंबर बी बाकी है।
कौन?
ठाणे वाली
तो अभी क्यों बोला? अभी नूरुल लिख तो रहा था. At that time you can write which Nurul. Now write fast.
मैम नूरुल लिखता था तो
मैम
मैंने
ने जवाब
लिख
दे
दिया।
दो।
Means do you want question or answer? Who is Mithani Eliabas? What do you want, question or answer?
आंसर
हाँ,
390780।
do fast Mithani Eliabas and then tell me so that I can change.
मैम आंसर क्या है?
This one. And these are the questions. Okay, Mithani Eliabas.
यस मैम।
And you are not well or what? Are you well?
मैम क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन दिखाओ ना।
Bolo. That is also left to copy. इतना सारा टाइम दिया तो भी बाकी है. You are wasting my time. I do one thing after this lecture will get over no right from PDF which I have sent. PDF में सभी लिख देना, ठीक है? Because I have already given so much time. Okay, अलिया बस.
सॉरी बाकी है
क्या बाकी है?
आंसर।
हाँ, do fast.
मैम आंसर अभी तो दिखाया तुमने।
यही तो यार, so much time you are wasting. Fast, fast.
10:50 तो हो गई।
Now next
मैम
time don't think that do from PDF only. Because after I give some enough time, I can't give so much time.
मैम 10 मिनट देना, तब 10 मिनट सॉरी 5 मिनट देना, जिसका हो गया उसका हो गया, बाद में PDF डाल देना।
फिर तेरा भी नहीं सुनूंगी, because just now you also told me.
यस यस चलेगा।
Okay. Now next is exercise 1B, question 1. So Nurul, give me one name for reading the heading.
यस मैम। कौन से मैम बताने वाला अभी नहीं 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 अकील नो बाकी से।
हाँ, भोजानी अकिल.
आपको फिर से बता तो हो जानी है।
From I think so when you were in second, from that I was
यस
taking your morals. When you were in
हो
second, I was
जानी है।
morals. In third also I was taking your morals. In fourth science. तो 4 साल तुम लोग को पढ़ा रही हो तो पता तो हो ना.
हो जानी अखिल।
हाँ, अकिल, do you want to read the heading?
हाउ मेनी
Akil, okay, next name.
जकी
Okay,
जिगानी जकी।
यस मैम।
read the heading.
ओके मैम। हाउ मेनी 10,000 10,000 and left are there in the numbers 8 lakhs?
हाँ, So this is the number 8 lakh. In that, how many ones are there? How many tens are there? How many hundreds are there? That we have to see. This is same question. I'm writing first, which is 8 lakh. So this is the same question I'm writing. Now one by one I will write the same name of the places which are given here in the question. So in the question first place is given, that is ones, then other place is tens.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन 1 का आंसर ये है।
नहीं अभी कुछ नहीं लिखना है। व्हेन आई विल गिव द टाइम नो कि भाई अभी लिखो और यहाँ पे हेडिंग लिखो कि भाई राइट इन फेयर बुक, तभी लिखना है, अभी सिर्फ समझो।
मैम ये एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी है ना।
हाँ 1B, सी द हेडिंग, एक्सरसाइज 1B, exercise 1A we have finished. Then hundreds, then thousands. So this way these places are given in the question. I'm not writing full. So these many places are given in the question. Now I will give you example. You have to tell me about that. I'm giving example of 1000 only. Okay, suppose if you have 1000 only, but you have 10 notes of 100, then how much you will get? That you have to tell me. You have bundle of 10 also, you have bundle of 100, you have bundle of 10 notes, and you have bundle of 100 notes. So 100 notes, 10 notes of 100 rupees. So what is the total? 10 note हो 100
1100 100
100
1100
की 10 नोट। नहीं फिर से करो। 10 नोट्स 100 की।
तो हो जाएगा 1000।
Yes, 1000. And now suppose you have 100 notes of 10 rupees.
हो जाएगा 10,000 1000 हाँ सॉरी 10,000 नहीं 10,000 नहीं हाँ 10,000
Try to think again, everyone.
100
Means at your home, have you ever count money like your father or
1,000
someone give you bundle? Have
पहले
you?
गिनते थे अब नहीं गिनते
बंडल अभी का
डैडी के साथ रह के मैं भी सीख गया
If you count the bundle of any rupees at your home, then maybe it is easy for you. Even
टाइम बिल्कुल किए बोला ना 1000 हो गया
हाँ. And even with your
2000
father.
100 को प्लस कर दो तो हो जाएगा 1000
Yes, good.
मैम
10 नोट 100 रुपये बनेगा
Hmm. Even
और
if
100
you
नोट 20
that your father or someone, when they make bundle, no, they do this only. कि 100 की सब नोट, 500 की सब नोट, 10 rupees वाली सब नोट. Then when you count, no, it
डैडी
is
कैसे
easy.
करते पहले जितने पहले 2000 की नोट है तो पहले ऊपर 2000 रखेंगे इसके नीचे रखेंगे
हाँ.
डाउन
Then it is
ऊपर से
easy.
लेके नीचे जाएंगे
Yes. It is easy to count, but अगर सब नोट एक साथ मिक्स में हो ना, मीन्स फर्स्ट 10 बीच में 10 रुपए की, 100 रुपीज की
हाँ
सब
तो
नोट।
डैडी पहले गिनते नहीं पहले गोद देते पहले
ये
2000 रुपए की बाद में 500 रुपए की बाद में 50 रुपए की बाद में 10 रुपए
हाँ, तो इट इज इजी टू काउंट, काउंट करने में इजी रहता है ना, इसीलिए वो ऐसे करता है। सो इट
यस
इज काउंट।
मैंने ट्राई किया था एक बार फटाफट हो गया था और मिक्स मसाला में ट्राई किया था 10 बार गिना तब आया
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, देन यू विल बी कंफ्यूज्ड। So this is about 1000 only, but in our question amount is big. 1000
मैं
की बात हो रही है,
1 लाख
but 8 lakh.
बस
So
कसम इसमें 4,000 रुपए की भी लगाएंगे तो नहीं होगा।
So suppose
Ma'am.
if you have, who wants to ask or say something? Who was that? Who called me?
ये बस मिठाई।
What?
मैम वो क्वेश्चन 2 का आंसर वो आंसर क्या है? क्वेश्चन 2 का आंसर पीडीएफ में है ना? मैम आने मुझको यार भाई ये का मजाक हो रही है।
PDF I have already sent you yesterday, and even today time is up 10:57. So this we will do tomorrow. We'll continue from here only.
और मैंने क्वेश्चन लिख डाला पूरा।
Good.
ओके मैम, बाय बाय।
Mithani Eliabas, I have already sent
Bye,
PDF.
ma'am.
So again I will
ओके
send.
मैम, बाय बाय।
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Just write
bye.
that.
Bye.
Bye.